Let's enjoy the production of the Hyundai Tucson sport utility vehicle. This is the manufacturing site of the Hyundai Tucson. It all starts by producing body parts out of steel and aluminum using the molding process. Next, the parts are assembled, and the strength of attachment is inspected. A few more welding takes place on some other body parts. Then a robot adds the doors to the car. The body is inspected once more to check its rigidity. The car is now passing through premium coating work. Robots paint the car with a customer-selected color. Now the engine is ready for installation. The engine is attached to the body. The car seats are set in place. A robot adds the wheels and fixes them to the car. The doors are attached to the car using a lifting device. The vehicle passes through a final inspection. The car undergoes road-like conditions to check its performance. Finally, the car is ready to dominate its presence on the road.